Hey guys, so I got the frames a while back and I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what happened. First of all, within 2 days of getting the frame, I was actually excited enough to get this built up. So yeah. Otherwise, one thing I would like to mention is that the service I used is called CNCMadness. I'm not going to be that guy who says CNCMadness is a perfect frame prototyping service, but I would like to say that it's good enough in my opinion. It's probably the best out there actually, because what they offer is a very fast service with fast shipping in the North America area and with a decent quality carbon fiber. Of course, the carbon fiber didn't come without its flaws. I saw there was a few stray carbon fiber strands, but I was able to fix most of that with the carbon fiber file, so yeah. Otherwise, this was my first build that I kind of took a legitimate dive into PID tuning, and I learned a lot actually. Very special thanks to Josh Bardwell's 4.3 tuning tutorial, because that really helped. And yeah, otherwise, as you can see, there's an Insta360 Go2 mounted on here. And I was a little surprised that there was no jello on there when I was filming. And I actually got some pretty nice footage, so yeah. So other than that, I guess I did meet the weight requirements, because with Insta360 Go2 and a 650 milliamp force battery, I got it under 250 grams. It actually came out to around 245 grams, which is perfect. And otherwise, because I'm a clumsy weirdo and also I fly with some careless people, this guy actually took a lot of beating when I was flying it. So I guess here's a bit of a crash reel. With this frame, I was actually able to get one specific flight where I got 10 minutes and 30 seconds putzing around the field. So it's pretty fun doing some kind of mid-range, long-range efficiency stuff on that. Yeah. Another thing is that the guy who does all my 3D printing for me, Sai, I'm getting him into FPV, and recently he did get all of his builds built up, but before that, when I first met him, he didn't have any of his builds running, so I actually let him fly my Gecko a lot. So because of that, I just realized that this arm is completely delaminated. So, oh well, Armattan lifetime warranty really did come in nice here, I guess. Otherwise, I guess I gotta procrastinate on a project because I'm stupid, so yeah, till next time.